Hello there, Zoe's here again, and today we have another Upgrade art box unboxing. And Upgrade is an art box they are based in Hamburg, and it's not that far from my home. And this especially is the January box. My birthday's in January, and they ship on the 15th of the month every month. And it was the next day there, and the next day was my birthday, so was so happy, but I haven't opened it because I had so much stuff to do. So here we are, and yes, just let's start. They ship worldwide. I guess they ship free. I link them down below. You can see everything on their website. I guess it's better than me telling you. And yes, let's start. As always, we have this little papers telling us what to do, and we will do it step by step. So, as always, we start with this. Oh my gosh. And yes, we won't look at this because they will tell you what's up. So next is the battle. This is the theme, Think New, and yay, autofocus, you know that. And yes, you can draw something with the theme and post it until the 10th of the next month, and maybe you will get featured on their Instagram page. And ooh, they always put some little goodies in here. I guess you all know what they are. Ooh, I like the blue one. Oh, they always put cute things in here, and I'm so excited. And of course we have some stickers. Oh, and this is the featured artist. It's Sarkazik. Oh well, I don't know if I pronounced it right. The last one was easy because it was a German one. I don't know what this is. I guess we will find out. Pro writing tools. Ooh, it's a spoiler alert and you can't see anything. Okay. Ooh. They paired up with the Loop Pro writing tools, as I said. Hello, Cam. Now you can... No. For a second. Everything you can imagine is real. And a post. As always, let's get bold and creative. Oh yes, I like his style. Ooh. Next, I first want to show you the paper because I want to know this. This is the art of the month. The featured artist has always an interview or a little text about them on here. And it's an illustrator from Hamburg. He's 23 years old, which is 3 years less than me. And here's his Instagram. As always, check him out. They're always nice. I mean, look at this. Okay, I love that style. Okay, now on to the oh my gosh. Oh, we haven't finished. Stop. We have this also a little. Oh, not looking at that. And we have some paper. It feels like watercolor paper. Really thick. We only have 3 ones. And now we start. I'm very sorry for the noise. So we start with the pencil. It's an Upcrate synthetic brush. You can't see anything. Well, that's a... How to get it out of here? Okay. We will destroy the plastic. We won't. Packaging is me. It's not fine. So Upgrade synthetic brush. It doesn't matter what's on there. This is what matters. We don't do this. So it's a little bit different shape than normal, and I love it that way. I think you have more control if you have it like that. So Next is a Chorus K-liner box. They're fine liners. Okay, I don't know this brand. I wanna have a look at the green one. I love green. So, ooh, look, it's interesting. Ooh. Okay, I guess they are fine liner. Up to the next, we have Stabilo Swano 5906 NHB. Yes, it's a pencil. We have Staedtler Mars Lumograph Black 8B. Excuse me, autofocus, could you please? Oh yes, thank you. So, now we come to the interesting stuff. So, these are by Loop water-based marker. Camera, could you please? Oh, nah. They are 4 millimeters. I tried it that way again. Oh, it works. Oh, yes. And oh, I guess this is what the little thingy was for. It's if one is broken. Ooh, look. They have it here in the... How can we do it? Like that. I have it in here. Which size they are. Ooh. Okay, we have 6 different colors. I like it. It's the easiest that way. We have something like a skin tone, blue, white, orange, black, and green, blue. Ooh, I liked it, but I guess we need some help with this. I don't know if you need. So here you can see the how to do video, and here we have the things. So we have colors acrylic markers, and ooh, you can make the ink wet, and then you can blend them together. And yes, here's this little loop thingy we saw before. It's a replacement tip, so if you break yours, you can take it. And sensitivity, yes, I guess we all know what a brush is for. Okay, let's take this paper. Oh, I have a struggle. I don't like paper to be used as coloring charts. Ooh, I like this black. Black Staedtler. I'm sorry for not writing the real names, but yes. Okay, it's a normal HB by Stabilo. I like the brand Stabilo. If you watch my recent videos, like from a year ago or something like that, you know I have the Stabilo felt tips, I guess. And yes, I really love them. Yes, these are normal. Yeah, I don't know what I should say to them. I just show you the colors. I don't want to write anything next to them because well, we all see the colors. They have they are full colored pencils, so you can see which color is which. And yes, so this ones you have to shake, and we will do it in a second. I'm so curious, you could say. And yes, the finers are not working that well on that paper because it's just watercolor paper, but I guess for outlining they would be nice. They make this scratchy sound. I don't like that, but they lie fine in the hand, and The colors are nice. Everyone is working. I show you. So these are the colors you get, and it's looking nice so far. And yes, you have to shake them. Oh, I'm sorry. So sorry. Maybe I will do a voiceover over this so you don't have to hear it. And let's try. Oh, can you see it? Can you see it? No, you can't. Ah, yes, the color. This is my favorite part. Oh my gosh. I worked with colors for clothing recently, and they work the same, and it's so nice to doing this. Like, oh, it's not working, and then like, oh my gosh, there's the color. Yes, I should do it again. I'm not the person that's thinking, oh yeah, I have the time. I was like, can it go a little bit faster? Oh, look at this. Ooh, it's so fluid. Ooh, I like it. We will black and white we won't test, but the rest we will test all at once because I don't have the time. Okay, I need to make me some food. I'm very hungry. So, oh, the blue one is doing a thing. I'm always scared to make them. Okay, so the blue one and the orange one are here. Ooh, I've never drawn with this before. It's very, very. Ooh, oh no! It's getting started. Paint everywhere. Ooh, yeah. What I wanted to say, it's very, very a lot of fun. Ooh, scratch on the paper. Okay, we have to do it with this a little bit more. It's not with us. Now. Ooh. Okay, so the black and the white will work, I guess. I just wanted to see the colors. Look how intense they are. So you could do the outlining with this. And ooh, I'm very curious for the how to do video because I don't know how to do anything here. But I guess I have some water container pencil brush, water container brush, so we can try it out. Black ink inside here, and ooh, I have spray. We can spray it. Ooh, oh, look at them. They would be great for mixed media projects. Oh, it's everywhere. uh, oh. Okay, wow, we're very professional. Ooh. Guess I used a little bit too much of the water. Look at this. Ooh. Ooh. I thought I would love this one the most, but turns out I love this in combination with the orange one. Ooh. Okay, guess I messed up a little bit. How can you see the structure of the paper? Here. Oh, I love structured paper. Okay, so now I will make me some food, and then we will make the challenge. Think new. I guess we have to think new with all of this, because I never used it before. If you used it before, you don't have to think new, then you have to choose something else to think new. But I have to think new with this, and I will have a look at the how-to video, and we will make a little challenge. See you then. Bye. Hello there again, and it's 2 weeks again, so we're already late with this challenge. Today I had the next box in the mail, so yes, enjoy. And yeah, I thought I would do a little logo thing. Yes, nothing special, just some writings in my comfort zone and some flowers out of my comfort zone, and it's enough for thinking new. I guess for me this time, because yeah, the art supplies were very challenging and very nice. I first watched the tutorial by Aakash, which is, by the way, a woman, not a man, as I told before. And yes, I don't know, I haven't informed myself, but well, now you know, and definitely check her out. I checked her Instagram, and she is amazing. So now I want to talk about the art supplies a little bit and my review, as you could say it like this. First I want to talk about the pencil. It's a Stabilo Swano graphite pencil 4906HB. Oh my gosh, that's a long name for a pencil. Yeah, what could I say? It works very nice. It works nice. It's you can erase it easily, and it doesn't smudge that much, and haven't tried to smudge it, by the way. Yes, worked well with the paper, and yes, couldn't say anything more, because well, it's a pencil and it works, and I like the brand, and I guess it's a good pencil. Yes. Didn't know Stabilo made pencils, by the way. I only have the felt tips by them. Next I want to talk about the fine liner. They work just as you expect fine liners to work. They are very fluent. It's pretty nice to work with them. They're not made for watercolor paper, I guess, but I tried them on other paper, and yes, as I said, very fluid, but not waterproof. So you can draw with water over it with watercolors or something, but they will smudge. So you have to be very careful. And yeah, but all the other things, like the colors were nice, they work fluently, they look nice, they are nice in the handling. They're triangle shaped, and that's always very nice. And yes, what else could I say? I like them a lot. Yes, next, the paper. It's 300 GSM. It has one fine grade surface, and on the back side it's a flat matte surface, so you can choose what you want. I used the fine grained surface because I like it a lot more for techniques with water. And yeah, you can choose this personal preference, but I guess you can't use every paper with both. You can't use both sides of a paper normally, so I mean, of course you can, but it's not supposed to be, and so on. And yes, worked pretty nice. I really like the paper. And yes, nothing to say again. It's great watercolor paper. Oh wow, I'm very good today. So on to the acrylic markers. We had one, the black one with the 2mm, and the rest were 4mm, and they work pretty well. They're by far my most favorite tool of this box. It was so nice to work with them. I used them as Aakash did in the tutorial, because I thought it was a lot easier to control and a lot easier to combine the colors by mixing them, so they are not so shiny for their own, which is nice as well, but they are so hard to combine when you let them shiny. And yes, so I mixed them. I put the, yes, so you saw it. I put the color in the mixing plate and put some water on it, and it works pretty well. Yes, they are shiny. They are. I like them a lot. I really love the markers, and I also love the synthetic brush. It's by Upcrate. I don't know if you can get it elsewhere or if you can get it outside the box. I don't know. And yes, worked pretty well. Was a little bit thin in the handling, so the brush tip was alright, everything fine, but I like some pencils with a bigger handling, I guess. I don't know how to call it, but that's just personal preference, and I know that most of the brushes are like this. So worked pretty nice. I had no trouble with this. And what have I forgotten? I forgot to talk about the Staedtler Mars Lumograph Black 8B. Worked pretty well, but I can't give an... Yes, I don't work with that much, so I don't know if my opinion is that good for you. Because well, I don't draw with HB, 6B, 4B, whatever in the normal, so I don't use them. But well, I used it here for the edges, make them a little bit more black and a little bit more raw edges, and the color is pretty intense, and yes, the pencil worked pretty nice. And yes, I guess it's a good pencil. And yes, now I talked about all the things that came in the box. I was pretty impressed by this box, I have to say. I love it, really love it. And yes, I'm very curious of what comes next. And yes, that's it from me for today. Enjoy watching the rest of the video. Stay blessed, everyone, and bye.